Hello, good morning or good afternoon, wherever you are. I am Takeshi Hajiro of Invest Northern Ireland, Japan. I wish you were here because Tokyo is very nice today with sunny and or cherry blossom coming out. I am in charge of advanced manufacturing and engineering. Therefore, I'm pleased to and honored to look after the companies in the Northern Ireland material handling sector interested in exploring the opportunities in this region. I want to take this opportunity to thank the speakers today, Eduardo, Tony, and Ken, who spoke about the outlines and new developments in the market since our last webinar on material handling in 2021. But most of all, I'd like to thank everyone who tuned in to show your strong interest in this region, Japan, Korea, and Taiwan. I'm happy to say that now COVID is fast becoming a thing of the past, fingers crossed, of course. The traffic between the region and the rest of the world is getting busier by the day. I feel that the world business is craving to develop, improve, and grow. I'd like to urge everyone participating in this webinar to seek new opportunities in this region. It is admittedly quite different from the Western countries. As we highlighted in our recent spotlight webinars on Japan and Korea, the pace at which business decisions are made differ from one country to the other and probably slower than the West countries. Our customers value detailed exchange of information and long relationship. As some of you have experienced, Japan is notorious for long-winded decision-making process. However, I'd like to encourage you to be very patient. Although concluding an agreement takes time, the relationship once concluded is often long-lasting and fruitful for the parties concerned. Some colleagues have already secured an agent in Japan, often say that they are not happy with their agents who sell fewer machines than their expectations. Here again, please be patient. Your bosses might push you to go and find another agent who does better work for you. But I can assure you that rumor that you ruthlessly drop the agents spreads like a bushfire because all the industry people often talk to each other. You will then be faced with cold treatment or no replies to your inquiries. And even the chance of continuing with a moderate sales volume diminished, if not discontinued. If you are unhappy with your agent's performance, please tell them courteously how you wish to improve. Such close communication is vitally important. Companies always want to create a relationship or partnership with you rather than a master and servant relationship. If you are nice to them, I can assure you that they will be nice to you too. Please also consider the different market conditions. Japan is a mountainous country with narrow roads with lots of red tape imposed by the government. Therefore, it is extremely difficult to move heavy machines over 20 tons on roads, which requires a lot of paperwork to get a permission. Your machine that can be stored in a conventional container and reassembled easily will likely to be very popular. When you are marketing your machines to a Japanese customer, please understand that the weak Japanese yen is bound to make your machine appear to be expensive. In such case, please emphasize why the customer needs to choose you more so than the competitive Chinese product. This is just an example. I know your product quality is excellent, but as material handling machines are renowned for breakages and the frequent need for replacement parts, please emphasize your excellent after-sales service network and outstanding environmental protection qualities. When you contact us seeking a new agent or any inquiries, please supply us with ample material on the company in the introduction, your advantages, and your after-service information. It is not easy to find an agent, but I am trying hard to spread the words of excellent quality of Northern Irish companies through trade show contacts, as well as paying frequent visits to industry associations. Incidentally, I just been to one of them, Japan Limestone Associations. I hope you find the webinar information useful, and we will always welcome your inquiries for the new opportunities. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you.